Hello friends, welcome back. This video is third part of the introduction to stats. In the previous two videos, we discussed about different definitions of economics, definitions of stats and its meaning in singular and plural sense, as well as scope of stats. In today's video, we are going to see function and importance of stats. So let us begin today's class. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe. Now we will discuss 5 major functions of stats. To simplify complex facts, methods of stat try to present huge complex numerical data into simple and understandable form, like statistical techniques like mean, median, correlation, etc. help condense huge data into a simple and easily understandable form. Next, to present facts in a definite form. Quantitative facts are easier to believe in comparison to qualitative facts. Statistics summarizes the generalized facts and present them in a definite form. Like the annual rate of inflation is 6%, is more convincing and explanatory than a general statement like prices are rising. To make comparisons, comparison between different sets of observation is an important function of statistics. Various statistical methods are used to compare data like averages, percentages, ratio, etc. to facilitate planning, policy formulation and forecasting. On the basis of numerical data and their analysis, planner and businessmen can plan future activities and shape their policies. Statistical tools like time series analysis and what if analysis help in making projection for future. This helps businessmen make contingency plans for their future to reduce uncertainties arising out of business cycles. Formulating and testing hypotheses. Statistical methods can be extremely useful in formulating policies and testing hypotheses, such as whether a rise in railway fares will reduce the passenger traffic or not. Now we will see how stats is important in business. Importance of stats in business. For establishing a business unit, It provides guidelines which may prove to be useful in making key decisions about size of output, availability of inputs, size of market share, etc. For estimating demand for a product. It helps in estimating present as well as future demand of the product. For production planning. Careful production planning helps in minimizing losses on account of over or underproduction. It is essential for maintaining a balance between demand and supply. Now we will see how stats is important for economic planning or for government. Using statistics, it is possible to access the amounts of various resources available in the economy and accordingly determine whether the specified rate of growth is sustainable or not. Statistical analysis of data regarding an economy may reveal certain crucial areas such as increasing rate of inflation which may need immediate attention. Index number. It is a time series analysis are extensively used for minimum wage legislation and other policies formulation. Now we will see importance of stats in economics. Formulation of economic laws. The laws of economics such as law of demand and elasticity of demand have been developed using generalizations of statistical data and principles. Helps in establishing mathematical relations. Statistical methods can be used to determine relations between different economic variables like price of a commodity and a quantity demanded of a commodity. Study various market structures. Statistical comparison of prices, costs, profits of firms can give an insight into the features of various market types like monopoly, oligopoly, perfect competition, etc. That's all for today. The last part of this series, we will be discuss about the limitations and distrust of stats. With that, we will conclude lesson 1 of Stats in Economics for class 11. Thank you.